Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to see who viewed your Instagram stories after it expires on Instagram. Alright, it's very easy. Now let's get started. The first step we have to take is to open our Instagram app. Then you have to head to your Instagram profile. Now once you right here on your Instagram profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner, and then from here you're going to find this archive option. Click on that, and right here you're going to find your archives on Instagram. Now look at the top, you're going to discover this drop down icon showing the post archive. So click on that and select stories archive. Now once you click on that, here you're going to find all your archive stories on Instagram. So what we're going to do right here is to open any of them that you would like to see who viewed the story. All right, so I'm going to open this one, for example. Now if I want to see who viewed it, I'm just going to hold and drag this up. Then you're going to see the story insights. The people who viewed these stories is going to appear here. But if your Instagram account was on a personal account and then you switched to a business account, you won't be able to see who viewed it right here anymore. So the reason why my story insights is unavailable is because there was a time I switched to a professional account. That's why you can't see anything right here. So your account needs to remain on a personal account before you can be able to see who viewed your stories archive after it expires. So guys, this is how you can see who viewed your Instagram stories after it expires. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.